हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कोड फॉर प्लेसमेंट। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे फ्यू क्वेश्चंस विच इज़ फ्रीक्वेंटली बीइंग आस्क्ड इन द इंटरव्यू फॉर जावा। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट। So the object is a real-time entity having some state and the behavior. In Java, object is an instance of a class having the instance variable as a state and the object and the method as a behavior of that particular object. And the keyword of that class created by the new keyword. If we want to create an object, we want to use the new as a keyword. So second question is, what is the difference between an object-oriented programming language and object-based programming languages? So this is frequently asked in Java. So there are following basic differences between object-oriented programming language and object-based programming language. Object-oriented language follow up the concept of OOPs, and object-oriented language do not have inbuilt object, whereas the object-based language will have the inbuilt object. For example, we have the object-oriented as Java, C, C#. So these are the object-oriented language. So in the next question, we'll see what is a constructor. So constructor is basically if the constructor can be defined as the specific type of method that is used to initialize the state of an object. It is invoked when the class is instance and the memory is allocated for the object. Every time the object is created, we have the new as a keyword, and the default constructor will be called the class will be always be called. So how many types of constructor are used in Java? That is the fourth question we have. How many types of constructor we have? So we have two types of constructor. One is a default constructor, another is a parameterized construction. Default construction do not accept any values. We have the parameterized construction. We can say that the construction which accept the argument is called parameterized construction. So this is the basic difference of the default and the param constructor which accept the value. The fifth question we have, does constructor return any value? This is also very often asked. So yes, do constructor return values, and that is it we have. So yes, it return values. Is constructor inherited? So this is also very often asked. The sixth question, no, constructor cannot be inherited. We can inherit method and the variables. We cannot inherit constructor. Seventh question is, can you make a constructor final? So you cannot make a constructor final even. So we cannot make constructor can't be final. So because it has to be taken reinitialized. So can we overload the constructor? Can we overload the constructor? Yes, we can overload the constructor by changing the number of argument accepted by the constructor, or by changing the data type of the parameters. We can overload. So we can have different set of values which is accepted by the particular constructor, and by that we can overload. The ninth question we have, what do you understand by copy constructor in Java? So basically in ninth question, what is a copy constructor? There is no copy constructor in Java. However, we can copy the value from one object to another object in C++. So there are many ways to copy the value one object to another object in Java: by constructor, by assigning value of one object to another object, or by clone method of an object class. So we have an inbuilt method called clone, that is object class. Now we have the 10th question. It's a programming language question. We have to find out the output of this. So class test, we have an int, two variables. Int is we are passing two variables, that is two variables, and the main method is there. So basically we have to tell whether this class is able to compile or not. So this it's a compiler error, and in the program, because there is a call of a default constructor in the main method, and which is not present in the main method. Thank you so much guys for being with us, and Code for Placement, do subscribe, and please put your suggestions in the comment section. We will read it out and will make such videos, awesome videos for you. Thank you so much for being with us. Subscribe to